Hi everyone, a quick unboxing here for the item that I had purchased recently from my trip. I've been thinking of this item for quite a while when it first released, but it has been almost a year that I'm thinking about it and I couldn't pull the trigger because I have something similar to this, but when I'm there, the price is so good and I couldn't resist this. So therefore, let me quickly unbox this and show you what is this. Perhaps this is also my Christmas gift for myself. It is just a very small dust bag. Let me put the box aside. And to reveal, are you ready? Look at this. Yes! It's so cute that I have got this. I know it's quite similar to what I have in size 25, but this is Speedy 20 and also in this Ebin print. I've been thinking for so long since it released, but I'm also contemplating because it is the same as my Ebin 25, but obviously the size is different, but I mean the print and everything looks the same. I'm thinking of getting a leather one, but when I think of my lifestyle and also and maintenance of the bag, obviously canvas is more durable and easier to maintain, and this leather, it doesn't have Kera, so it will be even easier. It's carefree. It is so cute. Let me just open up inside to take up the strap. There you go, this is the strap. I'm not a fan of the strap. The strap is quite heavy. It's so much heavier than the bag itself. I may use another strap that I have which is lighter and which is same color as this, and even I can use my Speedy 25 strap. I will not use this, but anyway, it comes with this, and Louis Vuitton really charges all this. Okay, let me just take out the sticker first here. There's a sticker here. There's a sticker here as well. The bag is so cute. Anyway, I'm not a fan of straps. Let me just put this aside. What I like about this is it has a very wide opening right up to the underside of it. Whereas the Speedy 25, the old version, I'm not sure about the new version now, whether they improve on that, which they do not go slide all the way down. This is a smarter version of it, I would say. All the stuff are inside. Here's the lock. All these are in gold, not brass. Hopefully you will not tarnish, at least not in brass that will tarnish, as well as the key, which is inside here. This is the key, which is also in gold, which is so much better than the brass. Obviously, this is the gel that I put it in. They do have as well, but this is to absorb the moisture if there's any. I will do a comparison once I've used this for a bit with the Speedy 25. It has a red lining and it can fit quite a lot. You have one slip pocket. It is sufficient for my daily essentials. I'm so happy that I got this and at a very good price. Good score for this. And another item I got from Hermes, which is a pre-loved item, but it is also very good price and it is very new. It looks like it has not worn. I'll show the picture here. Is a scarf, 90 by 90 scarf from Hermes, and it is really very good price, even less than half of the retail price. Because I would like to try the 90 by 90 scarf, not as a scarf, but maybe perhaps as a outerwear that I learned from the YouTube. The color is very bright and very whimsical, and I love all the colors of it that I can match with a lot of things. Therefore, I will give it a try. These is two items that I got. I'm so happy that I managed to find some deals for my recent trip to Japan. Thank you for watching.